Hi everyone, welcome to my second episode of Women Health series. So last time we talked about some common things about Ayurveda and hormones. So today we are going to talk about some common symptoms of hormonal imbalance and some superfoods that will help you to cope up your hormonal imbalance and their symptoms. The chemical messenger of your body, that is hormone, they travel to every organ through the bloodstream, right? And it regulates the vital processes of your body like metabolism, sleep. Now the most commonly fluctuating hormone of your body are estrogen, progesterone, testosterone. They are a sex hormone. Thyroid, that is your metabolism hormone. Adrenaline, that is your energy hormone. Cortisol, that is your stress hormone. And melatonin, that is your sleep hormone. Women experience more or greater hormonal changes than men. While both boys and girls go through the stages of puberty, it's fine, but women experiences several other additional stages throughout their life, like menstruation, then pregnancy, postpartum, premenopausal, and menopausal. Now all these great changes happening in women's body causes fluctuation of hormones, and this hormone fluctuation, like, it affect her overall health, be it physical or mental. So now I'm going to share some of the common symptoms of hormonal imbalance. First is weight gain, mood swings, fatigue and weakness, hair loss, loss of libido, dry eyes, sleep issue, indigestion, hot flushes, food craving, mostly sugar, vaginal dryness, and stubborn acne. Now there are so many women who had tried to balance this hormone by going to any doctor, be it anipathy, allopathy, homeopathy, ayurvedic, anipathy. But some of the women don't experience the great result, or they are not satisfied with the result. So now we are going back to the basic. I had already shared in my first video that we have to take a look on your Agni, that is your digestive fire, and you just try to de-stress your mind. Now along with this, you have to intake, or you have to eat some food that is superfood, so this will help you to cope up your hormonal imbalance and its symptoms. So here I'm going to share few of superfoods. Now this superfoods every woman should include in their diet, like in every meal or all over the day you can eat this, because it is going to help to balance your hormones. So the first one is bananas. So if you feel bloated all day all long, or every time of the day, banana will work wonder for you. It is a good source of potassium and it will help to balance salt in your body. Second is sweet potatoes. They can boost your progesterone level, and if you are like suffering from hot flushes, this is the best option you will get. Third is milk and ghee. So ladies suffer from painful periods, right? So if you are suffering from painful periods, have a glass full of soothing milk and ghee. It will help to relieve your period pain. Fourth is walnuts. Walnuts are excellent source of estrogen, and it is easy and natural way to balance your hormone. Fifth is flax seeds. We call it as a alsi in Gujarati. I don't know about other language. It has omega-3 in it, and it will help you to elevate your mood and decrease your stress too. And yes, my mom makes super flaxseed laddu or energy ball. We call it as a arsina laddu in Gujarati, and it is super yum. So if you want me to share the recipe, I can try make that video on flaxseed laddu. So please comment down below. And yes, I hope you all like the video, and to all ladies out there, to all the beautiful ladies out there, if you are feeling low and you have tried going to like every doctor, you can just look upon your Agni, that is your digestive fire. You can just try to de-stress your mind by doing pranayama, meditation, and along with that you can just include this 5 superfoods in your diet. This is going to help you for sure. And yes, be positive. If you're eating anything, you have to just feel that yes, this is going to heal me, this is going to heal me. Okay, so be positive, stay happy and stay healthy. Bye bye.